How to get a public profile on Snapchat. The very first thing you want to make sure that the application Snapchat is up to date. If not, you can head over to your App Store or the Play Store and then update the application to the latest version. Once you have the updated version of the app, open it. Enter your login credential, as in your username and the password, and simply log into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, it will land you on this page. In order to make a public profile, what you want to do is simply move into your profile at the top left corner. In here, if you haven't already created your public profile, you'll get to see the option where it says Create Public Profile. All you want to do is click on it. After that, you have to follow the on-screen prompt and your account will be created successfully. Once it has been created, it will look something like this. If you click on this pen icon at the top, you will be able to edit your public profile, as in your profile information, bio, add the location, and many more. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can get your public profile on Snapchat. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.